There's another menu that's below the service settings. And so if we hold down the cancel button again, here we go. We go into the maintenance menu. Why do I like the maintenance menu better? Maintenance menu will give you the model number. If the unit is really old, it will not give you anything. I have a newer model, which is from, I think, 2018. So FXMQ07PAVJU, outdoor unit. This designation doesn't mean anything. It is actually a 5-ton, so, 006. Again, I don't have the designations for those, so don't ask. Operation hour. How long have my unit been in operation? Fan hours, power hours, and then operation hours. And then outdoor unit status. Again, not supported in our market. You notice here that my evaporation temperature has come down and my TC has gone up. And when I say TC, remember this is my condensing saturation. This is my head pressure. And these are live. So why do I like these numbers? Why do I like looking at them on the BRC? These update about every 5 seconds.